everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to make hair mayonnaise, and we are going to need mayonnaise. If you don't have mayonnaise, you can use 1 egg and plus 1 egg yolk, so it's 1 egg and 1 egg yolk to replace the mayonnaise. And you need a lemon juice, which I'll squeeze from the lemon, and you need vinegar, but I prefer apple cider vinegar, but at the moment I do not have. So let's get started. So the measurements are like this. They said half cup of this, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. But that depends on your hair, the thickness of your hair and the length of your hair. Like my hair is very short and thin, so I don't need to use a half cup of mayonnaise. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of mayo and 1 tablespoon, not full. I don't have to make it full because I did not use half cup. Then I'll have to squeeze this lemon juice. Just cut it and then mix it nicely. Because at some stage I was thinking of cutting my hair, because truly speaking, sometimes natural hair can be hectic. It can be tiring. So I reached that point, then I asked myself then, why did I start then? So I just have to continue with the journey, but I love it. Now my hair mayonnaise is ready, so I just have to apply. Let's go do this. You can see there's so much growth in my hair that it needs my attention. So I'm going to use my hair mayonnaise.
educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew
Wear my shower cap, but at the moment I'm just
how much I miss not knowing
what would be better for me,
that
and
we're
I'll
all
keep
screwed
this for an hour. Then I'll rinse off my
when we
hair.
play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew